What if the darkest place on Earth is still watching us? Beneath the ocean lies a world we barely understand. Imagine falling endlessly into cold, silent darkness below. No sunlight, no sound, just pressure crushing everything around you. Would you dare to keep going deeper into that unknown? The ocean covers most of our planet, yet remains unexplored. We know more about space than our own ocean depths. That alone should make you pause and wonder why. Somewhere far below lies the Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest point. It stretches deeper than Mount Everest is tall above ground. At its bottom lies Challenger Deep, a place almost unreachable. The pressure there could crush steel like paper instantly. Yet somehow, life exists even in those extreme conditions. Strange creatures move silently in complete and endless darkness. Some glow with their own light to survive. Others hunt using senses we cannot even imagine. This world feels more alien than distant planets we study, but it exists right here, beneath our oceans. Every descent into the deep reveals something unexpected. Scientists constantly discover species never seen before. Each discovery raises more questions than answers. What else is hiding beyond our reach? Could something massive remain completely undiscovered down there? The idea sounds impossible, yet the ocean proves otherwise. Giant squids were once myths until they were finally observed. What else are we still calling myths today? The deeper you go, the stranger reality becomes. Creatures lose eyes, grow transparent bodies, or glow mysteriously. Survival here demands extreme and unusual adaptations. This environment rewrites everything we know about life. It forces scientists to rethink biological limits completely. If life thrives here, where else could it exist? Maybe even beyond Earth, in distant alien oceans. The deep sea becomes more than a mystery. It becomes a clue to something much bigger. Yet we have explored less than 10% of it. That means 90% remains completely unknown. Imagine entire ecosystems we have never even imagined. Hidden landscapes untouched by human eyes. Valleys, mountains, and trenches waiting silently below. The ocean floor is not flat or empty. It is alive with movement, energy, and hidden life. Strange sounds echo through the depths without explanation. Some recordings remain mysteries even today. The deeper we explore, the more curious it becomes. It feels like entering another dimension entirely. A place where rules are different and unfamiliar. You begin to question what is truly possible and what we might be missing completely. The ocean hides secrets we are not ready for, or maybe secrets we simply haven't found yet. Either way, something is waiting below. Something ancient, silent, and unexplored. The question is, what exactly lies beneath? And are we ready to discover it? Curiosity pulls us deeper into this mystery. It challenges our understanding of the world. The ocean becomes more than water. It becomes a hidden universe beneath our feet, a universe we are only beginning to explore. And every journey reveals something unexpected, something that changes how we see life. The deeper we go, the less we know. That uncertainty is what makes it fascinating. It keeps scientists searching for answers. It keeps explorers pushing dangerous limits, because the unknown is impossible to ignore, and the ocean is full of it. What we discover next could change everything. It could redefine life as we know it, or reveal something completely unimaginable. The mystery is far from solved. In fact, it is just beginning, and what comes next will surprise you, because the truth beneath is stranger than fiction. In 1960, two men dared to descend deeper than anyone before. They entered a small vessel called the Trieste. Slowly, they sank into the endless darkness below. Light faded until nothing could be seen outside. Pressure built with every meter they descended. Still, they continued toward the ocean's deepest point. After hours, they reached Challenger Deep successfully. What they found shocked the entire scientific community. Life existed where it was thought impossible. A creature moved in the darkness before them. It proved survival was possible under extreme pressure. This discovery changed science forever. It expanded our understanding of life's limits. Later missions revealed even more astonishing findings. Hydrothermal vents were discovered on the ocean floor. These vents release superheated mineral-rich water. Around them, entire ecosystems thrived without sunlight. Bacteria converted chemicals into energy for survival. This process supported complex food chains. Creatures adapted to conditions we thought were deadly. Giant tube worms grew near these vents. Strange crabs and shrimp lived alongside them. None of them depended on sunlight to survive. This discovery changed how we see life completely. It suggested life could exist on other planets. Planets with oceans hidden beneath icy surfaces. The deep sea became a model for alien worlds. Meanwhile, new species continued to be discovered. Some fish had enormous jaws and glowing bodies. Others could survive without food for long periods. Every creature seemed perfectly designed for its environment. The anglerfish became one of the most famous examples. It used a glowing lure to attract prey. In total darkness, light becomes a powerful weapon. Survival depends on creativity and adaptation, but not all mysteries were easily explained. Scientists recorded strange underwater sounds over the years. One of them was called the bloop. It was louder than any known marine creature. For years, its origin remained unknown. Some believed it came from a massive hidden animal. Others thought it was a natural geological event. Eventually, it was linked to ice movements. Still, it showed how mysterious the ocean remains. Exploration missions face extreme risks and challenges. Equipment must survive crushing pressure and freezing cold. One failure could lead to disaster instantly. Yet scientists continue exploring despite these dangers. Their curiosity drives them forward into the unknown. New technology allows deeper and safer exploration. Robots now explore areas humans cannot reach. They capture footage of unknown creatures. Each mission reveals something new and surprising. But there is still so much left unexplored. The ocean continues to challenge our understanding. It reminds us how little we truly know. Even today, new discoveries are being made regularly. Some species are found in places once thought lifeless. This changes how we see extreme environments. It expands our imagination of what is possible. The deep sea becomes a place of endless discovery, but also endless mystery and uncertainty. Every answer leads to more questions, and every discovery reveals deeper complexity. It feels like exploring another world entirely. Yet, it is part of our own planet, hidden just beneath the surface, waiting to be explored and understood. But there is something even more surprising, something that changes everything completely. It is not just about what lives there, it is about how it affects us, in ways we never expected before. This realization shifts everything we thought we knew, and it leads to a powerful truth. The deep ocean is not just distant and mysterious. It is essential for life on Earth. It controls climate in ways we are still discovering. Massive currents move heat across the planet. This helps regulate global temperatures. Without it, Earth would be far less stable. The ocean also stores large amounts of carbon. This slows down climate change significantly. It acts like a hidden support system for life. Even the air we breathe is connected to it. Tiny organisms in oceans produce much of Earth's oxygen. Their survival depends on deep ocean nutrients. This creates a powerful cycle of life. Suddenly, the deep ocean feels much closer. It is not separate from us anymore. It is part of our everyday existence. This changes how we should see it. It is not just a mystery to explore. It is something we must protect. Human actions are already affecting deep oceans. Pollution has reached even the deepest trenches. Microplastics have been found in deep-sea creatures. This shows no place is truly untouched anymore. Deep-sea mining is another growing concern. It could destroy fragile ecosystems permanently. These ecosystems take centuries to develop. Once destroyed, they may never recover. This raises important questions about responsibility. Should we exploit what we barely understand, or protect it for future generations? The ocean forces us to make that choice. It challenges how we define progress. It demands awareness and careful action, but it also offers incredible opportunities. Deep-sea organisms may hold medical breakthroughs. They produce unique compounds unknown to science. These could lead to new treatments and cures. The ocean may hold answers to major diseases. This makes it even more valuable, but also more important to protect. Exploration must be balanced with responsibility. Curiosity should not lead to destruction. Instead, it should guide careful discovery. The deep ocean is a shared global treasure. It belongs to all of humanity, and future generations depend on our choices. Protecting it starts with awareness. It grows through education and action. Every small step can make a difference. The ocean's future is in our hands, and that responsibility cannot be ignored. The mystery of the deep is still unfolding. New discoveries are waiting to be made, but how we explore matters more than ever. Because once lost, some things cannot return. The ocean teaches us a powerful lesson. Everything on Earth is connected deeply, even the unseen depths beneath us. Understanding this connection changes everything. It transforms curiosity into responsibility and knowledge into meaningful action. The deep ocean is no longer distant. It is part of our shared future, and its story is still being written. The question is, what role will you play? Will you ignore what lies beneath, or choose to protect it moving forward? Because the ocean is calling for awareness. It is asking us to care more, to learn more, and act wisely. The mystery remains, but so does opportunity. Opportunity to explore without destroying, to discover while preserving beauty, and to protect what we barely understand. Because what lies beneath matters more than ever.